Now, check out this right here. Let me see, get down here, see whether or not the motherboard can tell me anything. Okay, that slot right there is for power fan. Right here it says it, power fan. And this right here is an ATX 12 volt spot. All right. See all these capacitors? Nothing but capacitors. I remember when when I was in school for electronics, we had started studying capacitors and how they store up energy and things like that. And then I noticed on some of these motherboards, they have these little, I'm not sure exactly, I know they're digital processors all up on this board. Little resistors here. Not sure exactly what that was right there, what it's called on the motherboard. And this motherboard here actually has a hookup for, let me see, SATA. Has a hookup for SATA. 2 memory slots right here. Let me see whether or not it tells me what kind of memory that it takes. IDE. Everything, a lot of stuff has changed. I haven't opened up my new computer too much lately. Let me see. Power for the front panel buttons and light display over here. One of these is let me see, you got a green and white and red, black and white over here. 2 spots for SATA hookup right here. Then it looks like as if the battery for the motherboard is right here at around 3 point, let me see, this battery is a 3 volt CR2032. You know, a lot of these motherboards took a 3 volt battery, and I've seen these batteries last for years. And I think this right here is the little speaker for the beat. You know what I'm saying? So like that motherboard makes that sound. I think this right here is the speaker for it. And this right here, this, let me see, this yellow, this black and yellow and red, three wires, 3-wire conductors. It is going over here to this fan. There's a fan right here. Let me pull this over a little bit. It's actually going to that fan right here. This, see that three conductors right here. And let me see. And it looks like as if this wire, this part right here, it is going, let me see, it looks like it's around an 8 conductor. There's brown, black, like orange and yellow, and it is going to, looks like they have it going to the audio input of the computer. That's what it's looking like. Let me turn this around to the back side right quick.